In this video, we unbox, install, and test the Philips Hue Play HDMI Sync Box 8K, the ultimate device to bring your lights to life with your movies, games, and music. This smart HDMI box syncs up to 10 Philips Hue lights with the content on your screen for an immersive experience that transforms your room into a dynamic entertainment setup. I walk you through the full unboxing, show how to connect it with your HDMI devices and the Philips Hue app, and then we test it with games and films to see how the lights react in real time. The Sync Box supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, works with HDMI 2.1 devices, and integrates seamlessly with your Hue ecosystem via the Philips Hue Bridge. Whether you're a gamer, movie lover, or music fan, you'll see how lighting adds next-level immersion to your setup. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech unboxings, smart home gear, and reviews.